Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to create AI videos using Gemini AI. So if you want to generate videos with AI, just follow along. First, open the Gemini app and sign in to your Google account. After that, tap on the video option in Gemini. If you don't see it, tap the menu or explore the available creation tools. Keep in mind that video generation may require a Google AI Pro or Google AI Ultra subscription and might not be available in all regions. Next, enter a detailed prompt describing the video you want to create. For example, you can describe the scene, characters, style, camera angles, and any other details you want included. Once your prompt is ready, tap generate and wait for Gemini to create the video. Depending on the length and complexity of your prompt, the generation process may take a few moments. After the video is generated, preview it to make sure it matches what you want. If needed, you can edit your prompt and generate another version to improve the result. Once you're satisfied with the video, tap the download or export option to save it to your device. For the best results, be specific as possible when writing your prompts. Detailed prompts usually produce better quality videos. So that was how to create AI videos using Gemini AI. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.